Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have recently purchased a SanDisk pen drive or USB flash drive, registering it for warranty can make the future replacement claims much easier. So in today's video, I will show you how you can do exactly step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for this particular URL. It is going to redirect you here on the product registration page right away. So over here, first of all, you need to select your brand. After that, you need to provide the serial number information. So after providing the information, simply select the product and then simply provide your first name, your last name, email address, select your country or region, select your purchase date, and then simply provide your proof of purchase. So you need to simply upload the proof of purchase for warranty validation. If you don't have a receipt, the product photos may be accepted. So after uploading the information and after providing these details, simply check this box and then click on the option of submit in the bottom. So once you submit and once your application is approved, your SanDisk pen drive will be registered under your account, allowing you to check the warranty status, request the replacements in the future, submit support tickets, and manage warranty claims. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.